It all began with a shot. On June 28, 1914, Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary was assassinated in Sarajevo by Gavrilo Princip, a Serbian nationalist. This event set off a chain reaction among Europe's powerful nations. Austria-Hungary, with the backing of Germany, issued an ultimatum to Serbia. When Serbia didn't accept all the terms, Austria-Hungary declared war on July 28, 1914. But Europe was tangled in a web of alliances. Russia, allied with Serbia, began to mobilize. On August 1, Germany declared war on Russia. 2 days later, on August 3, Germany declared war on France. To reach France quickly, Germany invaded neutral Belgium. This act brought Britain into the war on August 4, citing the defense of Belgian neutrality. Soon, much of Europe was at war. The Central Powers included Germany, Austria, Hungary, Ottoman Empire, joined in October 1914. Bulgaria, joined in 1915. The Allied powers included France, Russia, Britain, Serbia. Later joined by Italy in 1915 and the United States in 1917, significant moments quickly followed. In August 1914, the Battle of the Frontiers began. By December, the infamous trench warfare on the Western Front had begun. In 1915, the Gallipoli campaign opened another brutal front. In 1917, the tide began to turn. Russia withdrew after the Bolshevik Revolution, while the United States entered the war in April, tipping the balance. By November 11, 1918, the war came to an end with an armistice. In just over 4 years, the war claimed more than 16 million lives and reshaped the world. It all started with one gunshot, but it ended with a world forever changed.